Hi, I'm Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris and Aderans. Today I'm going to do some styling with you and I can't wait. I'm using one of my favourite wigs. This is Olivia in the Orchid Collection. This is a human hairstyle and I'm going to be doing it in the colour Coffee Noir today, which I think is an amazing colour. Looks amazing, loads of shine, very healthy, looks fantastic. So I'm going to do some holiday styling with you today. So I decided to style her in a loose wave to begin with. So just to show you all the way through, nice loose wave running through, which really helps having that bend in the ends when you are upstyling hair. I went to the store and I bought some holiday ornaments, which I thought against this kind of colour would look fantastic for a party or anything you may have coming up around the holidays. So I wanted to go with a bun, like a bit of a party bun, like an upstyle chignon. So to create that first, we need some bedding at the base. So I have a few different sized bun rings. I have one which is a really big bun ring. I think this one's maybe a little bit too big for what I need to do. So I'm going to move this one out the way, but you know, who knows, I might need it at some point. I've also got a standard sized bun ring, or a donut. Sometimes they're called donuts because of that hole running through. And I have a couple of darker ones which have the kind of hair texture to them. So these are great too. So first, I'm going to take the standard size bun ring. I'm going to put this one in on the top of the head. So I'm aiming roughly for the highest point of the head. Okay, because I want to create some height. Just to create some extra security, I'm putting some of the hair through the hole in the middle. So if I do that, you can probably see. And I'm going to use some bobby pins and put 4 bobby pins in at the base of the bun ring. So that's the second one. Let's put a third one in there and a fourth. So I now do that with my fingers and that feels quite secure, but I need a little bit more height for what I need to do. So I'm going to go in with another bun ring and just pop that over the top, let that hair come through. Now I'm just gonna, like I did with the base, I'm just gonna grip this bun ring into the next bun ring. So I'm kind of creating a bit of a tower. And then I'm just gonna pop this one in the back. And again, I keep feeling it like so, making sure it's nice and firm. Don't need it too firm, but obviously not too slack that it's gonna fall out. Now I'm just going to go with a third. Now I probably won't put quite so many bobby pins in this area, just in case I don't want 3. But I'm going to build it up for now. So just taking a bobby pin and connecting those two together. Again, another bobby pin. Connect those two together and the same on this side. So we've got even tension throughout. If I turn to a side, you can see we've got those little bits of hair left over from what I initially put through, which is separating through nicely. But first, I want to put the holiday ornaments in the hair. So the focal point of the hairstyle would be the front. So I first concentrate on how I think the front should look. So let me show you fully around. So we've got more baubles to this side. We've got a few running throughout the back. And that's how she's sitting from the front. So now the trick is to incorporate the hair into the hairstyle at the front. I'm just twisting the hair, okay, so like kind of into almost roping the hair around. So when I twist the hair, I've got something which I can then grip into the bun ring, like so. So don't worry about these ends sticking out for now. The important thing to worry about right now is just getting all of the hair up and incorporated and in the fashion that we have balance running throughout. So it looks like it's balanced, everything sits right and it looks right to the eye. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I'm kind of coming to the end of my hairstyle now. Now, if we sit her like this, she's kind of textured, really kind of cool. We've got these little pops of silver and gold for the holidays. If we put the hair over the nape like this, we can see we've got this gorgeous kind of soft, beautiful up style. Then when I turn her around, because I've gone with a half up, half down, and just centralize her a little bit. You see we've got like the baubles coming out here. We have lovely kind of texture of hair, which you can even incorporate some of that just by teasing, have some of this softness in and around. I quite like seeing a bit of the hair in between the baubles. I think it looks pretty cool, so just like coming over like so. Nicely softened it through. Really like this hair coming onto the front of the chest of the mannequin. It just looks amazing. But what we need to do now is we need a little bit of firm hairspray because this is a party hairstyle. I'm using the Protect Holding Spray from René of Paris. Now, I could hear you out there saying, well, that's for synthetic hair. Yes, we did design it for synthetic hair. But one of the side effects of this spray is it works beautifully on human hair. It really does. And I use this a lot when, you know, not necessarily working with wigs, working with people's bio hair. I've used it on set, I've used it on shows. It is amazing. I have, ahead of time, a little kind of like a hair brooch, hair slide. They have lots of different ways, but this looks just real nice just to tuck into the side. So this is Olivia in Coffee Noir. Okay, and what I've done is I've done a holiday inspired look on Olivia. So let's take her off the head. So she's a half up, half down. So if we look at Olivia's from the back, see we've got this gorgeous, fluffy, feathery, very modern texture. I've incorporated a lot of holiday baubles into the hairstyle, which look great, which we've just offset up top. Now, we used a couple of bun rings in there, okay, which helped us secure and build. We've left some areas of hair out for softness around the front. We put a little hair brooch in the side, which really helps, and that helps keep that fringe back. You may be a person that likes the fringe on your face, no hair brooch. If you wanted it out the way, then that's a great way of doing it and putting some more decoration in the hair for this time of year. Again, around the back, you can see this lovely softness coming to this side. Like I said, it's a half up, half down. So if we look at Olivia's, I've pulled the hair over the shoulders and round the front, which just looks amazing. Left a little bit of softness around this side here, because that's a shorter layer, so that just sits in gorgeous. And there she is, ladies and gentlemen. This is Olivia, and this is in the colour Coffee Noir. And this is a human hair wig, hence being able to do all of these different things. And this is my holiday inspired look on Olivia. So for all of you guys out there, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you've enjoyed the styling. Please leave some comments below. Is this something you'd try? Not sure. Would like to hear your comments, find out where you're at with it. Would you try something like Olivia just as a wig? Have you seen the other human hair wigs in the Orchid collection? They are amazing. But for now, thank you for tuning in. I'm Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris and Aderans. See you next time. Thank you very much.